We were able to get the e-brake thing figured out today. So what I did is I added a 2mm shim. There's what one looks like uninstalled. I popped that shim in right in here on the other side. So once I shimmed it, I wasn't tight like I am on this side against that disc. So once I put that shim in on this side, I was able to get the e-brakes properly set up. I was warned that one of the things I might have a problem with once I got the e-brake installed was it was going to rub on the inside of the 15-inch wheels. I've got about 2 or 3 mils of clearance in there, so I honestly think I'm good. I don't have the tension set up on the cable yet. I still have to get my cable tension set properly. You can see the cable has like a whoop in it there. I got to get it set up with the e-brake handle properly. But other than that, I was able to just with a 2mm shim solve all my problems on the parking brake in there. And again, that shim was just popped in down there. So looking at this one, I just shimmed out the RCR spacer by another 2 mils, just a little 2mm chunk of aluminum.